Hiya, it's Dan Toombs here, the Curry Guy, and I'm going to show you how to do a Keralan lamb stir fry. This is from my second book, The Curry Guy Easy, and it's super easy and really delicious too. So, put that into my pan there. This tawa. What we use here is, this is lamb, which I actually cooked a couple days ago in the tandoor, and then cut it up into small pieces, as you see here. Any lamb can be used. So if you've made, if you have a little bit of leftover lamb from Sunday dinner, leg of lamb, or if you've made one of my other recipes and you've just made some tandoori lamb, doesn't make any difference. As long as it's lamb, you can do this recipe with it, because what you want to do is you want to start with the meat very tender, so it's already been cooked and nice and tender, and then this recipe just kind of makes it crispy and nice. So what we're going to do here is, as you can see, there aren't very many ingredients, but it has so much flavor. So some onions there. That's about one medium onion. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to let that fry over high heat for about 5 minutes. And it's going to start getting nice and brown. It's on the highest heat I can get it. I'll add just a pinch of salt to help release some of the water from the onions there. And that's just going to sit there and fry over this high heat in my tawa, whatever you call it, tawa. All right, and then once that's done, once it gets to be brown, we're going to continue on with the recipe. All right, so as you can see, the onions are starting to get browned and they're caramelizing and really making the room smell delicious. So I'm going to continue on now. I'm going to add some chilies. About a tablespoon or so of garlic and ginger paste. And add some of these fresh curry leaves. You can use frozen curry leaves, buy them fresh. I grow them, as you can see here from my plant. Just give that a good stir. As the curry leaves become fragrant, that is when you add the meat. And as you can see, I just want to point this out again, the meat is really cut small. We're going to give that a nice stir. I'm even going to add just a little bit more oil to the pan to help it get really extra crispy. I'm just going to fry that for about 3 to 4 minutes until the outside of the meat, which is already cooked through, becomes crispy on the outside. Onions are getting some really nice color there. And that's just going to fry there for a while. All right, so now it's been crisping right up nicely, and to make it crisp a little bit more even, we're going to add about a tablespoon of curry powder. You can use garam masala if you'd rather, or even if you have one of my books, you know the recipe for mixed powder, and there's also a recipe on my YouTube channel. You can use mixed powder as well. I'm going to put some, this is chili powder. So about a ½ teaspoon of chili powder. And a good tablespoon or so ground black pepper. I'm just going to give that a nice stir. Oops. Get that back in there. Look at that. All right, now to finish off this amazing dish, which I have to say from my new book is really one of my favorites. We're going to add about a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more, of soy sauce, dark soy sauce. And I'm going to give this just a sprinkling of salt, a little bit more salt. Throw in the coriander. And then squeeze over some fresh lemon juice. Let that bubble there for a minute. And your dinner is served. You can have this over rice. You can have it on its own. Sometimes I like to wrap it up in a chapati and just top it with some burrata or something like that. Right now, I'm just going to have it as it is. Look at that. Like I said, that's one of my favorites from the new book. Curry Guy Easy. That's super easy to make. You really can't go wrong with it. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos to come. I'm trying to cover all the recipes from both my books. So I hope to see you back. Thank you very much.